Today, Chicago is one of America's greatest cities, a city known for its incredible skyline, powerful industries, and endless innovation. But more than 150 years ago, this same city was almost completely destroyed by one of the deadliest urban fires in American history. In the late 1800s, Chicago was one of the fastest-growing cities in the United States. Thousands of people were arriving every year, searching for new opportunities. Railroads connected Chicago to the rest of the country. Businesses expanded, and the city quickly became the transportation center of America. But beneath this rapid growth was a dangerous weakness. Most of Chicago's homes, factories, and businesses were built from wood. The wooden buildings filled the city, creating a place full of life and opportunity, but also making it extremely vulnerable to disaster. On the night of October 8, 1871, that disaster arrived. A fire started in Chicago and quickly spread through the city's wooden streets. Strong winds pushed the flames from building to building, creating a massive firestorm that burned for nearly 2 days. When the flames finally stopped, much of Chicago had been destroyed. Thousands of buildings were gone, hundreds of thousands of people were left without homes, and the city that had grown so quickly was now covered in ashes. But the people of Chicago refused to give up. Instead of abandoning their city, they chose to rebuild it stronger than before. New building materials replaced wood, new ideas transformed architecture, and a new vision for Chicago began to rise from the ruins. As the city rebuilt, architects and engineers created revolutionary designs that would change the world. Chicago became the birthplace of the modern skyscraper, with steel structures reaching higher into the sky than ever before. The rebuilding brought new businesses, new industries, and new people to the city. Railroads connected Chicago to the world, fueling industry, trade, and endless possibilities. From a city destroyed by flames came a symbol of hope, ambition, and innovation. Chicago rebuilt itself stronger than ever, rising from the ashes to become one of America's greatest cities. Its story proves that even in the face of unimaginable loss, human determination can create something extraordinary. For more incredible stories, forgotten history, and untold moments that shaped America, subscribe to American Origins and join us as we uncover the stories of the past.